we're back. We're down here at the rabbits. We are gonna put the female rabbit with the male rabbit. I don't know why. They say that's better to put the female in with him if you want to breed, instead of the male in with the female. I don't know, some kind of territory thing. But we're gonna put them together and do a time lapse and see if he's even ready to do anything.
Nope. Here. Oh God, this one. What? Come here.
Golly, Carmen.
Huh?
You climbed all the way in there.
Always do. Come here. Please.
What's this one's name? Emma?
Em.
Or it changes so tomorrow it'll be something
No.
different? You got it?
Yeah. Oh, sorry about your
That's
butt.
all right. Got it. Nine! Alright, so they're in here. We're going to see. We'll probably record for a few minutes, see if he does anything. And I'm not sure. She may not let him, because I think the other rabbit that the boy had actually may have gotten her before he died. So she may not let him. That or he doesn't like an audience. I don't know. They're fine. Let them eat that. We can do that later. I mean, that's enough food for right now for them.
What about the water?
The water's fine. Well, he's tried. I don't. Like I said, she may be pregnant already, but I'm not sure. Alright, we'll come back later. Show you here with hers, it actually files the tooth, and then once the tooth wears back, you got to file your rakers down So with hers, it does both at the same time, and mine doesn't. So I'm gonna have to file every tooth, and then go back and file these rakers down with a flat file. And like I said, hers does both at the same time. Because you can see it's got the actual file for the tooth and then a flat file right here for the raker. I'm gonna cut my finger. I don't even know how I did it. Alright, now we're done with that. We're gonna go get the flat file and the rake. They make a tool, a file guide that you can set on here and keep you from filing too far. Because if you file them too far, it'll throw you around like a rag doll. It wants to really bite into the wood and make you around. But usually I'll just go over each rake. Alright, so we're gonna switch them back. Hopefully whatever he was gonna do, he went ahead and did. So we're gonna get her back out of there, and then we're gonna put the silver rabbit in with him, and hopefully he can make her pregnant too.
Thank you, Bun Bun. Ooh, Bun Bun. No.
Here, show him. Coda, shut the door. There you go. Let's see that little guy. Hold it right. Like,
I can't. She'll claw me.
really? She? Not he?
I said she.
There she is. Big old healthy thing.
Hopefully.
Okay, so here's Pepper, our other Flemish giant rabbit. We're going to put her in with him too and see if we can get her pregnant. We can't, but hopefully the rabbit can. So then we'll have rabbits from both of them at the same time. Here she goes. Let her down. Alright, we'll leave them alone for a little bit. Uh-oh, maybe not. Alright, well I guess we didn't get them breeding. We got them trying to breed. And it actually looks like they're trying to breed again. Or he's trying to breed her. I was hoping we could get where he kind of like passes out. But I don't know. She's not accepting him. So if you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and we'll end it with this right here.